one thing that I bought that the blonde wasn't happy about it, but I know you guys will understand. All 4,614 of you. My brother not following the channel, for everyone asking. So the night went well. We actually didn't have any issue with the engine, which is good. With the bucket and everything is okay. We are now entering the Aegean Sea, which we knew it would be like this and we were prepared for. So this is okay. This is not bad. This is what it is. This is the Aegean at its fullest. We are at the moment traveling with two reefs on the main, one reef on the Jeep, and we have 18 knots to 21 on apparent wind and 13 to 16 in true wind. The wave is not bad at all. It's perfectly bearable. What we did is that we moved as close as safety possible to land, and we are covered by the land, which is diminishing the wind from 28 outside to 16 here. That makes it very, very good. Now we are going to round the last part of Slovenia and Albany, not Slovenia, Albany. I have been doing that error the whole trip. Albany, and as soon as we do this part here, we will be en route for Corfu, which is our main destination. So yeah, all as predicted, all good.
Right now we have all the wind that we didn't have along all the trip.
We're getting the full Greece experience. the thing that everyone talks about, like there's always wind and you need to sail at 25-30 knots. That's normal day. That's like, you know, sailing day is 25 to 30 knots. But it's okay. No biggie, no issue. We are just, this will be north, right? We are just north of Corfu, about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to our destination. 28 knots, gust, 7.8 knots of speed, which is a absolute record. And yeah, hey, this is Greece. But here we knew it. We were expecting this. We were like, yeah, this is gonna be Greece. It's gonna be a great gym, and we are gonna learn so much from sailing here. We didn't expect the rest. We didn't expect it will take us a month and a half to get down from Croatia to here. But anyhow, finally Greece.
Vlad. Vlad.
We made it to Corfu. So, Corfu. 140 miles in 31 hours. So now we have the flag. Well deserved. Now I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go sleep. Good morning, all 4,600 and whatever 17 of you. We are finally in Greece, and it's finally being what we expect Greece to be, which is beautiful water and no one around. Let me show you what that means. Zero people around. The entire beach is ours. And it's the good thing about the beginning of the season is that we don't have there is a lot of people, a lot of tourists, but there is not nearly enough as the amount they are going to be in 3 weeks from now. So we are still able to find places like this to stay completely alone for the whole day and the whole night, which is great. So yeah, finally Greece.
And see, nothing goes to waste. And I share with fish my fruit. It's okay.
One thing that I bought that the blonde wasn't happy about it, but I know you guys will understand me, is a portable battery operated pressure washing machine. I need this because of reasons. I need this to clean part of the boat that are either difficult to reach or I need them to be cleaned fast enough. So now that we have a water maker and we are producing our own water, I only need, with this baby, I only need half a liter of water to clean the solar panels. Dude, this is the thing. Okay, getting out of here. Anything else you want clean?
No.
You sure?
Sure. Ah!
How is it?
Strong!
Strong enough?
Yeah! Good morning, everyone. Today we are in a small city next to Corfu in searching for a hospital for Max because he has a bad infection, hearing infection, and also a bite of a bee.
I have a wasp
Wasp.
bite, not a bee, a wasp, a freaking wasp.
But this place looks like the Far West. I don't know what is gonna be the hospital.
I'm gonna call it decadence.
That actually, that looks like the Weasley house in.
Yeah, it's true. I don't have much trust for the hospital.
It's gonna be a shaman guy with a stick. He's gonna dance around my ear and give me some moon drops to take. That's what's gonna be. Yeah, we know. Sta facendo la chiesa?
Sì.
That's not a good sign.
Okay, this is the hospital.
What remains of it. The fact that the first thing that you see entering the hospital is the church. That's not a good sign. Secondo te posso entrare?
Sì, certo che può entrare. Okay, was not too bad.
3.5 hours later,
Yeah,
I have my diploma.
better than Italy.
Yeah, hey, it's not bad at all. 3 hours for waiting on the emergency room for a low priority problem. That's absolutely not too bad. Once in Italy, I spent 27 hours with a broken ankle. waiting.
Yeah, me too. 8 hours with a broken foot.
Yeah, so not bad at all.
No.
Anyhow, it's a simple otitis, and they gave me a lot of things to take. So now we go to the pharmacy, bottle of that. Then we go to the marine shop. Stop doing that. It's trying to attract your face. So stop doing that.
It follows me.
Yeah, it follows you. So if you keep moving it, she will keep trying to follow
But
you.
I want to show you your face.
Yeah, but it's just me. I need to be here. Okay? So that's all. Anyhow, we're gonna buy the medical supplies, and that's all. Have a good one.
I want to show you what Max did all the time. I have to eat.
Stanno tentando accelerare il climate change.
Checking if my plate is more bigger than his. Can I eat? Thank you.
Let's see. Ecco qua.
Finally, Europita,
The good one.
the good one. Right now I'm waiting for Max to be back with our new dinghy. I'm not very happy about it because our is very new, but apparently the engine that we bought with the dinghy is not good together, and it doesn't support engine, so no matter the flaps, still doesn't work, so we had to buy a new dinghy. We have to put this
Yeah, this should be fun.
into that.
This should be fun.
Okay.
Let's do this.
You are happy. I'm not happy. We spend money.
Spend money.
Too much money.
Too much gold.
Hope this is work.
Yeah, this needs to work.
Hi, Vlad. What cold? Too much hot. the next island, and the mainly reason is because we are easily bored. So we already seen everything and we wanna explore something else and see.
All 4,625, and for the 72% of you that haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for watching. Anyhow, we are finally leaving Corfu. We spent about a week here, which is too much for the island, but we had problems with the dinghy that we didn't fix. We bought a new one that now doesn't have the problem of sinking in the water with the aft part, but on the other hand, it's really unstable. So one day we will have enough money to be able to afford a Highfield, but for now we have a really weird dinghy. But anyhow, we are leaving Corfu. We are heading south to, what's the name?
Paxos.
Paxos. We are heading down to Paxos. We are gonna spend a couple of days there. There is 13 knots on the back, which is no wind at all. So we are gonna motor sail at least through the end of Corfu itself. At that point, it should become too much wind. So we will spend about an hour and a half in open water, and it should be around 25 knots of wind. So, because that's the med and that's what it is. Anyhow, it's gonna take us about 5 hours to get there, and we are gonna show you guys as soon as we get, because apparently it's a beautiful island.
We have arrived at Paxos, and there is a very nice bay here, very crowded. We have boats everywhere, very close to us, but outside there is 2 meters of waves, so we can't navigate any longer, and so we are here enjoying this bay.